So,
Vegan slowly.
you speak in line with Kwaro Acholi and the fact that you are looking for partners to support government in ensuring that wetlands are protected.
Thank you so much. As Kwaro Acholi, we are looking at building synergies with all relevant stakeholders so that the protection of wetlands and environment in general is something that we put at the center of our activities. And the Paramount Chief currently is in final stages to see that we launch a massive tree campaign. You are very much aware of the devastating effects of the deforestation that happened here because of the charcoal trade. So as an entity, as a cultural institution, we are looking at planting. The target is to plant 50 million trees for this year and progressively next year to do that. But our effort is to see that we put at the center the indigenous tree species, the Shiana, the Africana Fizella, the Ya, the Uyelo, all these other tree species that we don't see them now at the forefront. So that is the interest of Kwaro actually, to push the indigenous tree species. And the interest is, if we can do that and we put the cultural leaders at the forefront, we will definitely want to see that every other stakeholder comes to support, be it government. But also we want to applaud government for the initiative, especially Ministry of Environment, that the funding that they've gotten for Ministry of Environment got funding to a tune of 165 billion Uganda shillings, and that money is supposed to restore the forest cover of northern Uganda. So we implore the Ministry of Environment and the Permanent Secretary to closely work hand in hand with the cultural institution and put the cultural institution at the forefront, because this is priority in our Department for Natural Resources. Thank you. All right.